Hey carnivore fam, today I'm bringing you something a little fancy. A 3-course carnivore-friendly meal that's delicious, satisfying, and lands you at right around 2,300 calories for the day. We're starting with bacon-wrapped scallops, moving on to a Philly cheesesteak-inspired main course, and wrapping things up with a rich cream cheese dessert that's just sweet enough to feel indulgent without breaking the carnivore code. Kicking things off with bacon-wrapped scallops. Simple, elegant, and packed with flavor. This appetizer supplies about 506 calories, 35 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbs, and 39 grams of protein. Take 6 large sea scallops, about 6 ounces total, and wrap each one with a half slice of thick-cut bacon. Secure with a toothpick and pan-sear or bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or about 218 degrees Celsius until the bacon is crispy and the scallops are just cooked through, which should take around 15 minutes. These bite-sized nuggets are rich in protein, high in B12 and selenium, and the bacon adds just the right amount of salt and fat to make them perfectly carnivore.
By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to help me keep creating content like this for you.
For the main course, I'm putting a carnivore spin on a classic Philly cheesesteak, minus the bread and veggies. This main course supplies about 92 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs, and about 84 grams of protein. Start with 8 ounces of thinly sliced beef. Cook the slices in 1 tablespoon of butter over medium-high heat. Once the meat's browned, melt in 2 slices of provolone cheese and 2 ounces of cream cheese. Stir until creamy and gooey. Top with another slice of provolone for the final touch. This gives you that melty, beefy flavor bomb we all love, but it keeps you in ketosis and far from any plant-based distractions. Now for dessert. Yes, carnivore dessert is a thing. This one's a cream cheese and egg yolk mousse. This final course supplies about 620 calories, 60 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of protein. Whip together 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 raw egg yolks, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Mix until smooth and fluffy. Chill for about 30 minutes. It's silky, rich, and just decadent enough to satisfy those cravings. So, there you have it. In total, this 3-course meal supplies about 2,300 calories, 187 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbs, and 136 grams of protein. An elegant, filling 3-course carnivore meal that delivers everything you need to stay in nutritional ketosis, hit your macros, and enjoy every bite. Let me know in the comments if you follow OMAD or intermittent fasting by getting your daily calories from a single meal. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's cooking next.